How you doing? I put this on here to let you be able to tell the difference between an airliner flying by and this object that kept showing up the other night. So let me run this here for you. This is an airliner, and you can see the two position lights on it that are on constantly, and then the strobes that are going off. Now this thing here is different than the other ones that I'm going to show you. This was passing by. You can see it's not an airplane. I mean, it's just got a constant light on it. And when it goes behind the tree leaves, I had the focus at about 4 or 5 miles away. So the tree's out of focus. But you can see the light moving across the surface of whatever this is when it gets diffracted by it going behind the trees. So that was one object. And this thing here is another one. And it kept showing up. I've got about 3 or 4 different videos of this thing out there flashing around, and this is a color photograph of it. Now notice the position of the two white lights and then the red light on the top there. See how it changes? So there's no way that it could be an airplane that's out there flying around. And this thing has got structure to it. Whatever's producing the light, you can see these ridges along here show up on every image of it, but they change position. So now this is not 3 objects here. This is just one object, and this is a 1-second photograph. So it is blinking as it's going along, and then the real bright flashes that you see on the infrared is when it goes to that red color right there. And that appears white, of course, on the infrared because it's black and white. But you can see how it flashes here, and these a little wildlife going across the top there. But these flashes are real inconsistent. Slow it down here a little bit. You can see it's almost elongated at some points. It's not as intense at other times. And the flashes themselves seem to change angles every now and then. So anyway, I got some more photographs. I tried to get color video of it, and that didn't work out real well. I'll show part of that to you anyway. It's really difficult to get these cameras lined up here, but I just wanted to show this to you so you could see what it is that's going on. Now, you couldn't see this with the naked eye. It was just, not there for all intents and purposes. But this is a photograph. This is not a screen grab. This is a photograph of that object. Like I said, it showed up several different times. And you can tell it's not an airplane. I mean, look how far apart the flashes are. And here you can kind of see it's got some sort of structure to it. Exactly how far away this thing is, I really honestly don't know. But it makes for some interesting photographs, whatever it is. But I mean, it's, you see these layers right here. I don't know what to make out of this. If this is the ongoing structure of it, because you see this duplicated right here in the next flash of it. Like I said, this is not 2 different objects. It's the same one. And you can almost see like a plasma or an electrical spark going across here, as though this thing is expanding and contracting as it's going along. So I don't know what it could possibly be. Now this image here is like 1428 millimeters. So it was pretty far away. Of course, I had to enlarge it to get that image to be able to see it this well. This is another 1400 millimeter image of it. So you can see, like I said, it's not 3 different objects. It's just changing intensity as it's going along, and these are individual flashes that you saw on the infrared. So don't know what to make of it. Maybe they're just hanging out in a particular area. They're maybe surveilling an area, or else they just live in the area. I don't know what to make out of these things, but anyway, thanks for having a look. Let me know what you think, and hope we get to do this again sometime. Appreciate it.